Hey traders, welcome back to the Modest Money channel. If you're like me, always on the hunt for the best tools to boost your portfolio and make smarter investment decisions, you've probably heard of Seeking Alpha and Zacks. But here's the real question. Which one is the better fit for your investing style? Today, I'm diving into the details to help you figure that out, so stick around. Let me start by giving you some background on these two platforms and why they've become such big names in the investing world. Seeking Alpha got its start in 2004, and it was kind of revolutionary at the time. Its founder, David Jackson, had this vision of creating a space where investors, analysts, and even regular people could share ideas and insights about stocks. The idea was to move away from the traditional, gate-kept approach to financial advice and instead crowdsource wisdom from the investing community. Fast forward to today, and Seeking Alpha is a go-to platform for millions of investors like us who crave diverse perspectives and tools to refine our strategies. All right, let's dive into Zacks. It's been around a lot longer, founded all the way back in 1978. The story starts with Len Zacks, an MIT PhD who had a genius-level insight. Earnings estimate revisions are one of the biggest drivers of stock price movement. Pretty groundbreaking, right? That discovery became the backbone of Zacks' entire investment research approach, and honestly, they've stuck with it ever since. Here's the thing about Zacks. They're all about precision and structure. If you're someone who values rankings and actionable recommendations over opinions, this might appeal to you. Their proprietary Zacks Rank system makes it super easy to figure out which stocks could be winners and which ones to avoid. It's great if you want something that's data-driven and no nonsense. But here's where Seeking Alpha and Zacks really part ways. If you're like me and love exploring a variety of perspectives, whether it's from Wall Street pros, fund managers, or everyday investors, Seeking Alpha is where it's at. There's no shortage of ideas and opinions to dig into, and that diversity can be a game changer for making informed decisions. On the flip side, Zacks is more about keeping things simple. If you're looking for a platform that gives you a clear, structured strategy based on proprietary research, it definitely has its strengths. But personally, I think the flexibility and insights you get with Seeking Alpha make it the better choice for most investors. All right, let's talk about what other investors are saying, because user reviews can often tell you what it's really like to use these platforms. When it comes to ratings, Seeking Alpha absolutely stands out. On Trustpilot, Seeking Alpha has an impressive 4.1-star rating, with many users describing it as a fantastic resource for diverse stock insights and investment strategies. Words like comprehensive, helpful, and easy to navigate pop up often, and users appreciate the community-driven approach that brings together a variety of viewpoints. Now, let's compare that to Zacks. Unfortunately, Zacks doesn't get nearly the same level of praise. With a 1.7-star rating on Trustpilot, it's clear that user satisfaction is much lower. Many reviews cite frustrations with the platform's interface, describing it as outdated and difficult to navigate. Others mention feeling overwhelmed by the sheer amount of information and say that the service sometimes lacks the level of actionable insights they were expecting. There are also complaints about customer service and billing, with several users saying it was challenging to cancel subscriptions. One common complaint I noticed about Zacks is that some users felt the premium services didn't justify the price. For example, several reviewers pointed out that while the Zacks Rank system is useful, the additional reports and tools often didn't provide enough extra value to warrant the higher subscription fees. I have reviewed a lot of companies in the finance space, and this might be the lowest overall review score I have come across. It is so low, in fact, that it is a giant red flag to me. In the end, if user feedback is a deciding factor for you, Seeking Alpha clearly wins this round. A 4.1-star rating reflects a much more satisfied user base compared to Zacks' 1.7 stars. While every investor's experience is unique, the difference in ratings and reviews speaks volumes about the overall experience each platform delivers. All right, let's really dig into the features that make these platforms stand out, because this is where the decision often gets made. First, let's talk about Seeking Alpha. This platform is all about giving you a mix of cutting-edge tools and diverse perspectives. One of my personal favorites is the Quant Ratings system, which combines data from thousands of stocks and ranks them based on valuation, growth, profitability, momentum, and revisions. This is probably my favorite feature Seeking Alpha offers. It allows me to get a better understanding of a company with a quick snapshot. It is like an additional layer on your stock screener, and Seeking Alpha's stock screener is already powerful. Their stock screener is incredibly versatile and lets you create custom screens using dozens of criteria. For instance, if you're targeting undervalued growth stocks, you can set up filters for valuation metrics, earnings growth, and profitability grades. It's like building your own stock hunting tool tailored to your strategy. Plus, if you're short on time, their pre-built screens give you a solid starting point for exploring sectors or investment styles. Then, there's the sheer depth of their content library. Seeking Alpha hosts tens of thousands of articles covering everything from stock analysis and market news to deep dives on IPOs and dividend strategies. What sets it apart is the diversity of contributors. You'll find insights from Wall Street analysts, fund managers, and even retail investors with unique strategies. This variety helps you weigh different perspectives, which I think is invaluable for making balanced decisions. Now, another one of the cool tools I've used is their factor grading system. Each stock gets daily updates for factors like valuation and profitability, graded from A to F. This is perfect for quickly identifying strengths and weaknesses without spending hours combing through data. If you're juggling multiple stocks, it's a lifesaver. Moving on to Zacks, the platform focuses on delivering straightforward tools for investors who want clear guidance. Their flagship feature, the Zacks Rank, assigns each stock a score between 1 and 5. What I love about this is how simple it is. If a stock is ranked number 1, you know it's a strong buy based on earnings estimate revisions. No guesswork involved. It's a fantastic tool if you're looking for quick, actionable advice. Zacks also offers a wide range of pre-built stock screens, like top dividend stocks or momentum picks, which makes it easy to find stocks that match specific strategies. If you're not ready to build custom filters or prefer a more plug-and-play approach, these screens are a great way to start. For investors who value a more educational approach, Zacks has an impressive lineup of videos and courses. These cover everything from the basics of stock investing to advanced trading strategies. I appreciate how they break down complex topics into simple, digestible lessons, making them perfect for anyone looking to level up their skills. They also have a pretty impressive podcast series that is worth a listen. The educational resources are solid, in my opinion, but the website is in need of a serious update. Not only does it look and feel outdated, but the load times are unacceptable. All right, pricing is always a key factor when choosing the right platform, so let's get into it. Whether you're looking for the best bang for your buck or want to go all in for premium tools, the numbers matter. Let me break it down for you. So, let's start with Seeking Alpha. Their premium plan is $239 per year, which gives you access to unlimited articles, their powerful Quant Ratings, a fully customizable stock screener, and real-time portfolio monitoring tools. Honestly, I think this plan is perfect for most individual investors. It's loaded with value at a price that won't break the bank. And here's the cherry on top. You can save $30 on your premium subscription by using the link in the description below. I don't know about you, but I'll take a discount on something this useful any day. Now, if you're someone managing a large portfolio or you're looking for pro-level tools, Seeking Alpha's Pro plan is $2,400 per year. Yes, it's pricey, but it's designed for serious investors who need exclusive access to top ideas, VIP customer support, and advanced features like short idea portals. It's definitely aimed at professionals or high-level traders. Moving on to Zacks, their premium plan comes in at $249 per year, so it's slightly more expensive than Seeking Alpha Premium. They do offer a 30-day trial if you want to give it a try. They do offer other plans, going all the way up to $2,995 per year, but I think this premium plan is probably good enough to meet the needs of most retail investors. Between the two platforms, I think Seeking Alpha Premium comes out ahead for most individual investors. Not only is it slightly cheaper, but with that $30 discount using the link in the description, it's an even better deal. Zacks does have some unique strengths, especially if you like its ranking system or need highly specialized tools. But I find Seeking Alpha's mix of features and value hard to beat. At the end of the day, Seeking Alpha stands head and shoulders above Zacks. With its superior tools, broader insights, and overwhelmingly positive reviews, it's the kind of platform you can trust to help you make smarter investment decisions. If you're still unsure, don't take my word for it. Try Seeking Alpha's free trial, and don't forget to use the $30 discount link in the description. Once you explore its features, I think you'll see why it's my top pick. Thanks for watching. If this comparison helped, be sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell so you never miss out on more investment insights. And don't forget to grab your discount for Seeking Alpha Premium in the description below. Happy investing, and I'll see you in the next video.